Hello everyone, and welcome to Maika Kids channel. Today, we're going to explore the sheep, a familiar livestock animal that plays a significant role in agriculture and the culture of many countries. Sheep primarily eat grass and other plants, thanks to their unique digestive system that allows them to process high cellulose food. This ability enables them to thrive even in arid or nutrient-poor areas. Sheep are gentle, easy to care for animals that adapt well to various environments. They have thick wool that is typically white but can also be brown, gray, or black. Their wool not only helps them stay warm in cold weather, but is also a valuable resource harvested by humans to make textiles like sweaters, carpets, and other goods. Socially, sheep are herd animals with friendly dispositions and strong bonds within their groups. This social structure helps them protect each other from environmental threats. Ewes are particularly attentive to their lambs, which is evident in the close-knit nature of the flock. Besides wool, sheep also provide meat and milk, important food sources in many cultures. Lamb meat is prized for its distinctive flavor and nutritional value, while sheep's milk is used to produce dairy products like cheese and yogurt. Sheep are not only economically valuable but also symbolize purity and gentleness in various cultures. However, conserving and maintaining rare sheep breeds is crucial for protecting biodiversity and preserving the traditional values of sheep farming.